The human body is a highly organized complex collection of elements and minerals found in nature. These elements are the raw material of which life is made of. The main constituents of the human body are oxygen, carbon, hydrogen, and nitrogen, which make up a staggering 96% of living matter. The remaining 4% is made of calcium, phosphorus, potassium, sulfur, chlorine, magnesium, and other trace elements found in nature. In normal condition, each element is kept in proper proportion to guarantee the proper functioning of the body. The excess or deficit of any elements that compose living matter can lead to chronic disease if not treated beforehand. For example, if iron is missing in the blood, it causes anemia and other iron-related sicknesses. An iodine deficiency in the diet causes the thyroid gland to grow to abnormal size, a condition called goiter. High concentration of calcium in the blood causes hypercalcemia, while low concentration of calcium in the blood causes hypocalcemia. Whether mineral and elements are directly involved in pathological conditions, all sicknesses are related to mineral deficiency. What is a mineral? A mineral, by definition, is a naturally occurring inorganic substance, often additionally characterized by an exact crystal structure. Mineral deficiency is a lack of dietary minerals, the nutrients that are needed for an organism's proper health. The cause may be a poor diet, impaired uptake of minerals that are consumed, and difficulty absorbing the minerals. To be able to comprehend what causes mineral deficiency, it is important to understand these four crucial points: the use of mineral in the body, the effect of mineral deficiency, the recommended allowance of a mineral, food sources of a mineral. According to Harvey Diamond in his book Fit for Life, Not Fat for Life, no mineral is used in isolation within the body. All minerals interact with other minerals, vitamins, enzymes, and so on. It is overly simplistic to say that iron builds rich blood, or calcium makes strong bones. For example, copper must also be present for the iron to be used in the blood building. Likewise, a certain amount of phosphorus must be present along with the calcium to build bones. However, it is also a fact that certain minerals are utilized by the body as nutrients for specific organs more so than other organs. Also, the body uses certain minerals in performing certain body function. Nonetheless, in studying an individual mineral, keep in mind that it is only a part of a whole complex process. This is the reason why drinking or taking mineral by itself is injurious to the human organism. All vitamin and mineral must be taken together in a certain proportion or ratio. A mineral deficiency rarely exists in a vacuum. Minerals have an interdependence with many other various elements of food and with the complex action of the body itself. Often, a mineral deficiency occurs when there is an abundance of the needed mineral in the diet, but the body cannot digest nor assimilate the mineral. Mineral requirements depend upon individual constitution, climate, type of work, personality, age, sex, body weight, level of health, and hundreds of other factors. There can never be one recommended allowance of a mineral that applies to everyone. All given recommended allowance may vary considerably, and they should not be considered a law. Minerals are abundantly supplied in all food natural to man's diet. There are certain mineral-rich foods that are not suitable for the human organism, and any mineral content they may have is negated by the harmful effect they have on the body. Only suitable food should be used. Dr. Julius Hensel, a German agricultural and physiological chemist, suggested that the underlying cause of all diseases is a lack of mineral substances which are essential to the functioning of the body's cells. Hensel was right about his suggestion. He therefore proposed that an intelligent application of mineral fertilizer would bring forth the most wholesome, tasty food. But he committed a grave error in recommending the mineral elements such as his physiological earth and physiological salt water in their crude inorganic form as remedies for the human body. Because inorganic and organic mineral have the same chemical composition, they were confused by early researchers. They mistakenly assumed that a chemical similarity in minerals also meant that there was a nutritive similarity. Big mistake. It is true that chemically iron in the bloodstream and iron in the nails are the same, and that calcium in rock is identical to calcium in the bones. But it's a grave error to believe that the body can digest, assimilate, and utilize powdered nails and crushed rocks. An organic mineral is a mineral that contains carbon. Inorganic minerals are found in soils, rock, metals, whereas organic minerals are minerals that are found in plants. The difference between organic and inorganic mineral forms is a crucial point in understanding mineral nutrition. Let's take a closer look at few important points. Minerals are organic as they exist naturally in the soil and water. Minerals are organic as they exist in plants and animals. Only plants can transform inorganic minerals into organic minerals. Animals must eat plants or plant-eating animals to obtain their organic minerals. Inorganic minerals are useless and injurious to the human organism. When touching the topic of nutrition, it is important to understand the symbiotic relation between the earth, man, and environment. Man was created out of the dust of the earth. In other words, our chemical composition is the same as the earth's. Man can only survive if he lives off the products of the soil. Plant must convert inorganic mineral from the soil to make it useful to the human body. Staying away from inorganic mineral not only guarantee physical strength but also promote mental health as well. Numerous studies demonstrate that inorganic minerals are poorly ionized, which make absorption process very difficult and irritable. Chlorine kills florobacteria in the intestine, causing the dysfunction of the gut and dries up hair and skin. It also produces in our body chloroform, which is a toxic that may cause colon, bladder, and rectum cancer. Chlorine reacts with sodium to form sodium chloride, which is an inorganic mineral, so cannot enter inside cells in our body. It is indigestive, so it irritates the bloodstream, leading to heart disease, high blood pressure, and certain type of liver and kidney disease. Abder Halden, a German scientist, made a series of experiments upon several species of animal. He discovered that animals fed with food poor in iron plus an addition of inorganic iron were unable in the long run to produce as much hemoglobin as those receiving normal food. While the inorganic iron may be absorbed in the body, it is not utilized in the formation of hemoglobin, but remain unused within the tissue. Albert Halden also concluded that the apparent benefit of inorganic iron resulted from its stimulating effect on the body. As far as taking calcium supplement, they are typically poorly ionized. For example, calcium citrate made from crushed rocks is only 15% ionized. Therefore, taking calcium supplement is very detrimental to one's health. The extra calcium that is not used by the body isn't harmlessly eliminated. It is picked up by the blood and deposited in the soft tissue, the blood vessel, skin, eyes, joint, and internal organs. Unused calcium combines with fat and cholesterol in the blood vessel to cause hardening of arteries. The calcium that ends up in the skin causes wrinkling, and the joints, it crystallizes and forms painful arthritic deposit. In the eye, it takes the form of cataract, and in the kidney, it forms kidney stones. Mineral must be consumed in their natural, unfragmented, and organic state to be of any use to the body. The best mineral supplements are those naturally occurring in mineral-rich food in their unprocessed state: fresh fruit, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and sprouts. This proves to us that a plant-based diet is a superior diet. Only a plant-based diet can thoroughly supply the needs of the human body. If you enjoy the engaging information on this channel, please consider subscribing.